In this question, we're asked to perform the indicated operation, which is subtraction, and simplify completely this rational expression. So we have 5 over x minus 3 is the first expression, minus 2 over x squared minus 9. Well, first we want to look at this and say, can we factor anything? And yes, we can. We can factor x squared minus 9. Now, factoring out x squared minus 9, we get x plus 3 times x minus 3. Then what we look at, in order to add or subtract, in this case, rational expressions, we have to have a common denominator. So first we have to find what our common denominator is. Now, if we look at our denominators as individual values, we have x minus 3 in the first one, and then we have x plus 3 times x minus 3. Well, we want to collect as many things as possible without having any repeats. So I see an x minus 3, so let's take that as one of the factors first. And then I already have an x minus 3, so let's use x plus 3 is the other one that I haven't used so far. So our common denominator is going to be x minus 3 times x plus 3. Now in the second expression, we don't have to do anything because it's already in that common denominator format. So we just leave it as 2 over x minus 3 times x plus 3. But in the first fraction, to go from x minus 3 to this now new common denominator, x minus 3 times x plus 3, we have to multiply the top and the bottom by x plus 3. So now that we have the common denominator, because x plus 3 over x plus 3 doesn't change the fraction, because it's still 1, x plus 3 over x plus 3. So now we have 5 times x plus 3 in the first with that common denominator. When we simplify down, we now have a common denominator, so we can write the numerator just as one expression over that same common denominator, x minus 3 times x plus 3. Now we have to simplify down from here. In order to simplify, I first have to distribute. So I get 5x plus 15, and then minus 2. All over that same common denominator still of x minus 3 times x plus 3. Now I look even further in the numerator and see if I can simplify or combine any like terms. Well, yes, I can combine 15 minus 2. Well, 15 minus 2, so we have 5x, and then 15 minus 2 is 13. All over that same common denominator. So from this point, we want to see, well, can I look at the numerator and can I factor anything out? Is there a greatest common factor? No, nothing goes in evenly into 5x and 13 other than 1. And then I can't reverse FOIL because there is no squared term, it's not a quadratic. So I can't simplify anything down. If I could, then I would, and see if I could have the same thing on the top and on the bottom and then hopefully cross out. But otherwise, I can't simplify any further, so this would be my final answer. 5x plus 13 all over x minus 3 times x plus 3.